looking for internships. I am too. But nobody had told me this. Before you apply to any company, you should have something different or valuable in your plate so that you can offer. Okay. And if I say something valuable in front of me in my plate, and it is totally mean by your skills. Uh, why I didn't get any internship? First year, we had to study physics, chemistry, like engineering mechanics, engineering drawing. These are all the subjects that we need to study. Okay. So first year, though, this is how just went out. Second year, I had the curiosity that if not in college, I will learn it by myself. I actually did. I gave it my 60 to 70%, not 100%. No, I did it, but when you start programming, na, then it will be so exhausting for you that you watch tutorials, you feel like, oh, I know how I need to apply this, but when you see the question in front of you, you feel like, what, ये तो ट्यूटोरियल में नहीं था, ये कैसा है मेरे सामने. So this is the problems that I was facing that time. But the one thing you need to understand is, okay, you will get problems, you will get exhausted, but even after that, would you still love to choose that? In persons, we do this. If we love that person, no matter how much exhausted we are, we still choose that person, still choose that friendship. So this is it in your real life too, in your career too. Okay, if you, and trust me, in this process, with time, you will get to know that with so many practices, you will have that कि या हो जाएगा. It will take time, but हो जाएगा. And you feel that जब कोई कहेगा ना कि हुआ नहीं तेरे से, and you will be like, हो गया भाई, हो गया, वर्क्स भी क्लियर हो गया, सॉल्यूशन भी निकल गया और मुझे समझ भी आ गया. ओके, सो या थर्ड ईयर में आई वॉज एक्चुअली felt like I'm not made for this coding and all. I tried GATE. Okay, and now third year is going to be finished. अब क्या करें? तो I'm not. I will, of course, I'll do GATE. I will give exam of that. But I actually found my interest here in coding. So if you're going in a tech field, okay, so you need two things. First is coding and second is some skills. Okay, so I actually tried to done 2 questions, max to 3 भी हो जाते कभी 2 to 3 questions, not more than that, but I do it daily. And some days if I'm not doing that, then I'm learning concepts. This is what. And the second thing is to learn any skills, because coding round is the first round when you clear, okay, and the second round is for your projects. So now I'm giving my target of 2 months where I'll build myself for an internship, to actually lead an internship, okay, which will be value to my resume. And finally I had something that I can offer someone. Okay, so I actually made my plan of 2 months, how I will do it. Let me recap you in just 50 seconds. So this is a 2-month plan where in the first month I will fully focused on my learnings. Like I'm choosing my interest fields as where I want to look myself growing as data analyst. So I'll all be studying about this. So okay, the first month is all about study, gaining skills, making projects, of course I will tell you what projects I will be made during this journey. Maybe in 4th week I'll tell you about this, and I'll also show you on my LinkedIn post. You can just check it, the weekly updates, how it's going on. And the second month is all about resume, how to make it ready. ATS friendly, I think we actually said ATS friendly resume. And how to approach people, how to write cold mails, and many more. So second month is all about applying, you showing you and with skills that you really have. Okay, so this is how I had decided I'll be going to do that, and I don't know what will happen, but I am sure that it will be either my win or either my lesson, and I hope that it will be my win. Okay, so just keep updated, and yes, see लगती है कि नहीं जॉब, आता है कि नहीं ऑफर लेटर. Bye bye.